I'm Dr. Mangla. I'm the Clinical Director at Smile Baby IVF at KC Raju Hospital, Bangalore. Now, as I have mentioned much earlier, fallopian tubes is a place where fertilization takes place and thereby result in a pregnancy. So these tubes can be blocked due to several reasons such as infection, endometriosis, surgeries, or even a congenital cause. So how do we come to know if these tubes are blocked? It is very important that when a person is faced with the problem of infertility, to go for a fallopian tube test or a tubal test. Okay, so a tubal patency test. So there are several methods how the tubal patency can be confirmed, that is to see if the tubes are open or not. So these tests are usually carried out after the menstrual period and before day 10 to day 12 of the cycle. So ideally, once your menstruation stops, it is better to approach the fertility specialist to ensure as to which test might suit you best. So some of the tests that are available in the market include a HSG or a hysterosalpingogram. So this is a test where a dye is passed through the uterus and then the spillage is seen on an X-ray, which the dye spills out of the tubes into the abdomen, and this spillage is visualized on an X-ray. So this is very important as it not only shows that both the tubes are patent, but it may also show any abnormalities of the uterus, or it may also show where the tubal block is if at all there is a block, and such a picture can be captured on an X-ray and visualized. However, the disadvantage is that we use a dye and there is a 1% chance of a reaction to the dye that may take place, and apart from that it's also very painful. However, this can be done under anesthesia as well. So an HSG is all very important and it is necessary to do these tests even before you start your treatment. Apart from that, the test that is most commonly used nowadays and much safer alternative is the SSG or sonosalpingogram. So in this, saline, or it is water mixed with salt, which is a medically available solution, is inserted into the uterus and its spillage is visualized with the help of an ultrasound machine. So this is much less painful than a HSG, as this saline is normally in the same pH as that of the body fluids. Apart from that, there are very minimal risks of infection taking place and of any reaction taking place as well. And all these can be done as an OPD procedure and there is no need for daycare admission. Apart from that, we also have what is known as laparoscopy. Now, laparoscopy is the gold standard of all tubal tests. So, it is not some test which can be done on a day-to-day basis because it involves the risk of anesthesia and it is a surgery, though it is a minimally invasive surgery. So, in this test, we put in a laparoscope or a scope, a very small kind of a camera is passed into the abdomen, and simultaneously a dye is injected from below, it's called methylene blue, and the spillage of this dye is directly visualized in the abdomen. Now the advantage of this test is that it is direct proof that the tubes are patent, as we are actually seeing the spillage of the dye within the tubes, and the other thing is that if there is a block, it can be corrected in the same sitting as well. Thank you.